because she's now in scarcity. You are a catch. Now other women want you. She started to act up because she thought other women did not want you. Now other women want you. Now she wants you. Yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about 4 ways to make her regret losing you. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number 1, cut contact. Look, when a woman starts playing games with you, when she stops talking to you, when she starts disrespecting you, you cut contact. You don't talk to her, you don't text her, you don't call her. When she calls you or texts you, you ignore her. You want to show that you cannot take any form of disrespect. And this, when you cut contact, first of all, you are telling the woman, you are not that important to me. I have other things going on in my life. And you know, women start to disrespect men, and women just lose interest in men when they start to think she is the best you can have. Guys, when she thinks she's the best you can have, you can expect being tested, you can expect her flaking on you, you can expect her being disrespectful, you can expect her to stop talking to you. And how do you counter this? Stop contacting her. Don't give her any validation. Don't give her any attention. You are going to hurt her ego, and now she'll start to second guess herself. She'll start to think, maybe I started the games too early. Maybe this guy is not the kind of guy to play with. Maybe I have lost a catch. Oh my God. That's simple. Cut contact. Number 2, make sure you improve yourself and look smart. Yes, this is a black pill term, but it cuts across the board, because when you improve yourself, you improve your looks, you improve your style, you improve your finances, you improve every single thing of your life. Of course, she's going to regret losing you, because she's now in scarcity. You are a catch. Now other women want you. She started to act up because she thought other women did not want you. Now other women want you. Now she wants you. But she can't have you. Yeah. Guys. I am telling you, when a woman starts to disrespect you, cut her off, improve yourself. When a woman leaves you, improve yourself. Get better. Guys, and this is not, let not women trigger you to get better. You should want to become the best version of yourself. When you become the best version of yourself, the universe is going to reward you with everything it is you want. It's simple. It's simple, guys. When you're on your path to greatness, everything aligns because you have that focus. And when you start to improve yourself, your style is on point, your body is on point, your finances on point, everything, you're going out having fun. She's going to automatically regret losing you, because now she's missing out. Women are driven by the fear of missing out. They are always looking for the greener pastures. But when she leaves you for the greener pastures, and then she finds out, oh man, that was just a mirage. It was just an illusion, and what she left was the greener pasture. Now it's even greener, but she can't come back. She's going to feel that loss, and she's going to regret losing you, guys. Number 3, date beautiful women. Make sure you date hotter chicks than her. This is going to crush her ego to the ground, because remember, she left you because she thought you could not do better. Now she's in for a surprise. And guys, women always keep tabs on the guys they have been with. They always want to know, is he devastated? To boost her ego, to increase her ego. Women have that ego that wants to be pampered, that wants to be boosted all the time. That is why women have these simps who, give her endless compliments, gifts, and bullshit like that. But when you date hotter chicks than her, she is going to feel that loss. She's going to think, what is it? What did I do? What did I not see? What did I not see? When I was with him, what is it that I didn't see that other ladies seen him? Hotter chicks than me. Now you are a catch. Now you have become so valuable. You are like gold. She can't have you. And she knows she can't have you because she left. Now she will try and come back, try to sweet talk you, but she's going to feel the loss. Guys, she's going to feel that loss. Last but not the least, number 4, when she tries to come back, close the doors. There is no coming back to the greener pastures. You went to the desert on yourself. You went on your own. Stay there on your own. This is like leaving heaven to go and see what hell looks like, and then you expect to come back to heaven. Go to hell. Yes. When a woman leaves you, improve yourself and make sure when she tries to come back, because eventually she's going to come back. They always do. When you're on your purpose and you're improving yourself, I'm telling you, women always keep tabs on their men. And when you're improving yourself, she's seeing the progress, and now you become a catch. She will try to come and sweet talk you, but don't let these women come back into your life, because you'll be telling them, even though I have improved myself, you have so much value that I can still let you come back to my life. And she will not respect you. She's just coming back to test you. Guys, make sure you let them regret. Let them, let them feed on the imagination. Let them wonder, I wonder what life could have been with him now. Let her imagine. Make sure you are always improving yourself. You are always, dating hotter chicks, making sure you are getting the best out of life. That is when, even if she leaves you, you won't care, you won't be affected, because you don't need her. Guys, you need to understand the power of being able to validate yourself. As men, we validate ourselves by our achievements. When you improve, when you set goals and achieve them, you are going to feel that validation. You are going to be more confident. You are going to be more attractive. You are going to have more mental strength. And you are going to, be independent. Me as a man, I don't need a woman to give me happiness. I am happy by myself. If you come to my life, I will share my happiness with you. But you're not bringing your happiness to me. I am the one sharing. You have to cultivate that mentality. So guys, I hope you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.